Hi friends, good afternoon. My name is Achyut and I'm from Vizag. So today in this class, we will try to install the SQL server and SSMS. So we will try to install the SQL server and we'll try to create a basic table and we'll insert the basic values in that table and we will try to execute the SQL commands. So this is my web browser, Google Chrome. So here you can click on SQL Server Download. Click on it, and you will go to the SQL Server Downloads and click on it and scroll down. You will be having a SQL Server 2022 developer as a full feature free edition. And the second one is Express SQL Server 2022 Express is a free edition of SQL Server, ideal for development and production for desktop, web, and small server applications. You can click on download now. So you have to download this, and after download this, you can click on it and it will ask the permissions. Click on as, and you can see here as you can see select an installation type. You will be having basic, custom, and download media, and choose basic. And you can read the terms and conditions and click on accept and try to install it. So the downloading is happening. So you can see the downloading process and you can see the acquiring setup files, all those things. And you'll be having some details here. You can read these things and you will be having acquiring setup files. We will wait for 1 more minute and it will be installed. So we'll be having only 5 seconds. It will be downloaded. Yeah. So the download is successful. So it will extracting some set of files. So you can see here, it's extracting some files. So now I'll try to pause this video. After installing all these things, I can get back to you. So after successfully installing SQL Server 2022, you'll be having the basic details, connection string, and SQL Server install log folder, and installation media folder, and installation resource folder. So you can check all these details here. And after that, you have to install the SSMS and click on install SSMS. And here you can scroll down and you can see download SQL Server Management Studio SSMS to 20.1. Click on it and try to install this thing also. And how much MB it is? 485 MB. And we will wait until it is downloaded. Let's check what is the details of SSMB. So what is SSMB? SQL Server Management Studio. It's a 20.1 is the latest generally available version. If you have a preview version of SSMS 20 installed, uninstall it before it's installing. SSMB installing SSMS 20.1 doesn't upgrade or replace SSMS 19.x and earlier versions. So you can pre so you will be having the license terms and privacy statement. So you'll be having SSMB 20x installation does not upgrade or replace SSMB 19x earlier version. So SSMS 20x installs alongside previous versions. Both versions are available. However, you have an earlier preview version of SSMS 20 installed. And if you must install it before installing the latest version of SSMS 20. You can see if you have a preview version by going to the help, and you'll be having available languages. So you can check. You can choose English and all those things. So you'll be having unattended install. So these are the basic details of SSMS. So our download file is downloaded. So click on open file. Oh, it's opening. So it is installed in my system. So it is installed in my system. So what you have done is like after clicking on this thing, you will be having some pop-up, and you have to install. You will be having install option here. You have to just click on the install. That's it. Then Microsoft SQL Server Management Studio will be installed in your system. So I will close it, and I will close it, and I will close this thing also. Yeah. So now, search here SSMS here, and you'll be having SQL Server Management Studio 20, and you click on app here. Then SQL Server Management Studio will be opened. So wait until it open. So this is my database engine, and this was our server name, and it's my authentication, Windows authentication. And try to connect it. So it's connected, and so I will create a new query. Click on new query. So here I will insert a table. Sorry, I will create a table. I will create a database. So before creating a table, you have to create a database. So create database, and database name is students, and I have created database. So just copy like this and execute it. So this command is executed successfully, and I will try to create table list, student list. So I have created. Let's try to execute it. Create table, or remove this. So here we have to we have to create a table and insert the values, right? So that's why we have to open the parentheses. We have to open the parentheses, and here we have to write the student underscore ID, and this director is in, and here I will write student name and varchar 50. I'll give 50 as the name. So I will try to execute this thing. So the command is successfully executed, and now I will insert some values. Insert table, insert into so insert so insert into list. So what is student underscore ID, comma student underscore name and values. And here one, and here I'll give Iron student name Simon, student ID. So I have given like this, and I will do. So I'll copy this, and I will copy like this, and I will give 5 values here, and I will change the values for and 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 also doctor strings. So this is how we can give the values. So how can you execute this? Just copy like this and click on execute. See, all these values were inserted into this table, list table. So let's execute it. Select star from list, and we'll try to execute this thing. See, we can see the student ID and student name. So in this way, we can execute execute things in SQL server. SQL server. So that's it, friends. If you find this video is helpful for you, please like the video and please share this video to your friends and family members so that they can be benefited from this video. And please subscribe to my channel and please ring the bell icon. Then only you'll get the notification whenever I upload videos in the YouTube, or otherwise you will not get the notification. Thank you, friends. Jai Hind.